Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.011, but don't let that slight uptick fool you. The momentum is down minus 0.82 over the last 24 hours, which is significant when you contrast it with historical trends. This suggests a surprising disconnect. While sentiment is slightly positive, the underlying momentum is clearly bearish. You can leverage our API to get granular insights, returning sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, 18 of them in this case, allowing you to spot potential inflection points. Imagine building a dashboard that alerts you when sentiment diverges from momentum, giving you actionable insights to navigate market shifts. Dive deeper into this data at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.